Hello, how are you today? This video is gonna talk about Anpil, Trop. You know Anpil? Do you like Anpil? Ou reme Anpil? Ou reme Trop? Ou pa reme Trop? Okay, you're gonna learn how to say Anpil and Trop in English. Follow this course. Pay attention to listen to me carefully. Write your question below after watching the video and share it because I'm gonna give you time to do so. Share it all over the world on whatever platform you prefer, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. Share the videos. Remember, you're following Daniel Anais on Anglais and Toupatou. I'm coming back. Welcome back. I have to explain to you how to use much, many means Anpil. Anpil moun, Anpil pays, Anpil coup, Anpil video, Anpil. Yes, many, much. Much, many. Let's start. How can you use much and how can you use many? You use many when talking about countable or countable things. When you talk about things that you can count. If you'd like to understand more about much and many, Teacher Duquesne has a video talk about much, especially much and many. Si tu veux plus comprendre much and many, gade vidéo Teacher Duquesne ya. Wap jwenni gade la, gade li, wap jwenni la, wap wèl pase la, gade li. Klike sou li al gade l, epi tourne sou video za, ou bien fin gade video za, al gade video qui parle de much and many. But simply, let me tell you how to use much and many. You use many when talking about things that can count. Okay, countable things. Or things that you can say one, two, or more for them. Ou utilize many pour bagay ou capable di 1, 2, 3, 4 pour yo. For example, on capable di yon teacher, on capable di deux teachers, one teacher, two teachers. I can count teacher. Video, one video, two videos. On ka compter video. Alright? Good. What about much? Much, you use much for things that you cannot count. Uncountable things. Okay. You cannot say one money, two monies. Ou pa ka di monies. Ou say money. Ou pa ka compter money. You can count dollar. You can say $1, $2. But you cannot say one money, two monies. No. Do not say that. You can't count money. Not only money. You can't count sand. When I'm talking about sand, this is it. Sand. You know, sand, when you go to the seashore, you see sand. You can take sand with your hand. Sand means sab. Pas qu'à compter sab. You cannot say one sand, two sands. No. All right. Good. Very clear for you? All right. Good. Much and many means Anpil. Okay. Anpil manger. Anpil diri. Ok. Si map di anpil diri, ki sa map di entre much or many? It depends on things that I'm going to use, if they are countable things or uncountable things. Sa pral depend si sa m pral utilize apre yo, se bagay ke m ka konte ou di mwen se bagay ke m pa ka konte. No. Things that you can count. Anpil bisiklet. Many bicycles. Anpil diri, much rice. Okay. Anpil diri, ou bien please diri. Much rice. Good. I have some examples to make you clear. Why do you put much sugar? Pou ki sa ou mette anpil sik? I don't like sugar. Mwen pa reme sik. Why do you put much sugar? Pou ki sa ou mette anpil sik? Or I can say, why do you put much salt? Pou ki sa ou mette anpil sel? Why do you put much sugar? Pou ki sa ou mette anpil sucre? Now I say much because I can't count sugar. Ou ka konte sucre? Oh, sou di mou kapap. Nge kek mamit sucre la, ma ba ou yo, ou degaj yo. Ou pa se kalkilou. No, you can't count sugar. Second example, many people. Can you count people? Of course. You can say one person, two people, three people. Yes. Many people. I cannot say much people because I can't count people. Many people are learning English today. Many people are learning English today. En pile moun ap apprendre anglais de nos jours, bien jodi ya. Many people are learning English today. En pile moun ap apprendre anglais. Yes, it's a good choice. Son bon choix ou fait. Next sentence. Babies require much money than you can imagine. If your friend is talking about how many babies that she desires to have in the future, your friend might say, I need 6 children or 6 babies. Oh, a lot. Anpil. Babies, e mou kapap gade zan moun an dil. Babies require much money than you can imagine. Ou di zan moun an ti moun. Exijan pil la jan ki ou te kapap panse. Jan panse a la gen pil ti moun. Ti moun koute an pil la jan. Yeah, they exige plus l'argent que vous êtes capable de penser. Babies require much money than you can imagine. The most important is much money. Why do I say much money? Because I can't count money. Al pren la kay nou pou nou di, l'autom de konta de gon map di, 1 kob, 2 kob, 3 kob, 4 kob, 5 kob. You can't count money. You can count goods. You can count dollar. Ou ka konte good, ou ka konte dollar, ou ka konte euro. But you can't count money. Pa ka konte l'argent. On l'argent, de l'argent, toi l'argent? No. Mse dwe 50 l'argent. No. I've never had that. Ba jam tande sa. Good. Number 4. Number 4 is Haitians and many countries are following our video courses. Haitians and many countries are following our video courses. Haitien nan anpil peyi ap suiv video nou yo, ou bien ap suiv kou nou yo. The most important here is many countries. Mwen di many countries. Because I can say 1 country, 2 countries, 3 countries, 4 countries. They are watching us in 16 countries. I can say that. Yap gade nou nan 16 pays. Many countries. Now, you understand how to say anpil and how to use them correctly. This anpil is not like this anpil. You cannot use this anpil at the same position of this anpil or for this anpil. They are not the same when you're using them. Good. Sounds good. All right. Now, Trop. The Trop. No, the pas Trop. How to say Trop in English? To say Trop in English, you can say either too much or too many. Too much or too many. We use the same words, much and many, but as soon as you put too before, that means Trop. If you put too before much, that means Trop. The same for too many, Trop. Be careful. If you put too after much, it doesn't mean the same thing. If I say much too, I like much too. This too before much means aussi. Okay, I like much sugar. Mwen reme anpil sucre. Somebody says, I like much sugar too. On l'autre moun dit, moi aime un pile sick too. Moun sa dit, moi aime un pile sick. L'autre la dit, moi aime un pile sick too. If you put too after much, that means also. Ça signifie also. Ou ça signifie aussi. But if you put too before much and many, they mean trop. Enough. Okay. Let's see, how do you use them? You use too much when talking about things that you can't count. The same thing for much and many. You place too much before words or nouns that is uncountable. And you put too many before nouns that you can count. That you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Non que capable de 1, 2, 3, 4 pour yo. Like I can say much, too much sugar, trop sucre, too much salt, trop sel, too much water, trop d'eau. You put too much water in the soup. Vous mettez trop d'eau dans soupe là. Too many people. Too many people. Trop moun. There are too many people in the room. Gen trop moun nan chambre nan. Too many after too many. Countable nouns after too much. Non-countable nouns. Good. Let me give you an example to make you clear. There are too many children living in streets nowadays. Gen pile ti moun, gen trop ti moun qui a viv dans la rue journée jodi. I'm sorry for them. I'm really sorry. I'd like to help them. Da bien aimé aider yo. Unfortunately, I dream to help them one day. The second example, but before going to the second example, you can notice I say too many children. Why do I say too many children? It's because children here is a countable noun. Parce que children, c'est un nom que je suis capable de compter. Je dis 1 child, 2 children, 3 children, 4 children. Yes, there are too many children. Now, a second example for much. Haitians put too much salt and pepper in food. Haitians put too much salt and pepper in food. Moi dit Haïtien mettez trop sel ak piment nan manger. Not everybody, but I know Haitian love pepper. My grandmother loved pepper a lot when she was there, when she was alive. She loved pepper a lot. I ate pepper a lot when I was a little boy. Haïtien mettez anpil sel ak piment nan manger. What you can notice, I say too much before the word salt because I cannot say 1 salt, 2 salts, etc. I cannot say that. I have to say salt. I need salt. Haitians put too much salt and pepper in food. Haïtien mettez trop sel ak piment nan manger. Number 3 is, I got too many things to do today. I can't. Hey, Daniel, I need you today. I need you to do something for me. I got too many things to do today. I can't. I'm sorry to say that. I got too many things to do today. I can't. I'm sorry. I'm afraid I can't. Moi genyen trop bagay pou m'fè jodi a. Mwen pa kapab. I got too many things to do today. I can't. Mwen gen trop bagay pou m'fè jodi a. Too many things because I can say 1 thing, 2 things, 3 things, 4 things. Yon bagay, 2 bagay, 3 bagay, 4 bagay. M'ka di yon d'lo, 2 d'lo, 3 d'lo. Si Haïtien zo vend moi yon d'lo, la pale de yon sachet d'lo, il pa mentionné sachet a. M'ka di bam 2 sachets d'eau, bam 2 gallons d'eau, même pas di bam 1 d'eau, 2 d'eau. Good. The last one is don't drink too much alcohol. It's not good for your health. Do not or don't drink too much alcohol. Pa bwe trop alcool. Li pa bon pou santé ou. Pa bwe trop alcool. Surtout dans période ça. Especially in this period. Don't drink too much alcohol. Don't drink too much alcohol. Why do I say too much? Because alcohol is a non-countable noun. Alcohol cannot count. You can say 1 alcohol, 2 alcohols, 3 alcohols. No. Too much alcohol. Mwen pa ka di too many alcohols. Too much alcohol. So, Anpil, much, many. Too up, too much, or too many. Depends on how you're gonna use it before countable noun or non-countable noun or uncountable noun. I am done. I finished to do my job. Thank you for watching me and appreciate our work. How to support our work is to share the video, partager vidéo nou yo, supporter nous financièrement, etc. Prends classe que nous gagnons et puis pas oublier aller dans description pour regarder ça nous serré pour vous. Thank you so much. Love for you. Bye bye.